GVM 150W RGB video light review. Is this budget light too good to be true for YouTubers? Ever feel like your content looks flat, dull, or just meh no matter how hard you hustle? You've got killer ideas, but your lighting kit? Probably betraying you. Overexposed, uneven colors, blown out highlights, it's frustrating. You tweak endlessly, waste precious shooting hours, and still your video looks like it was filmed in your mom's basement. You want cinematic vibes but are stuck with harsh shadows and low-budget gloom. Let's be honest, bad lighting kills momentum, motivation, and your channel growth. Feeling overwhelmed yet? Yeah. We get it. It's not you. It's your gear. Now imagine deadlines breathing down your neck. You promised fresh uploads or professional client shots, and your current lights just can't deliver. You're sweating, battling color shifts, annoying flickers, and blown out skin tones. Missed content drops mean lost subs and revenue. Fans expect polished visuals, but your budget setup screams amateur hour. Worse? Every fix demands more cash, more gadgets, more complicated setups. Creativity gets buried under technical headaches. Your passion turns into burnout. And the pressure? Crushing. Suddenly, your dream studio setup feels like a money pit, draining your energy and momentum daily. Cue the GVM 150W RGB video light kit, your new secret weapon for pro-level content creation without breaking the bank. Packed with 36 million RGB colors, 2700K to 7500K bicolor flexibility, and a studio-grade CRI 97+, this beast delivers cinematic lighting at the tap of a button. Built-in 8 lighting effects like disco, paparazzi, and lightning spark next-level creativity for TikToks, music videos, YouTube, and beyond. Control everything via Bluetooth app or manual dials, your choice. Plus, the lantern's softbox gives your shots gorgeous, even diffusion. Finally, a portable lighting powerhouse that's plug-and-play and pro-grade. This isn't just lighting, it's a content glow-up. With the GVM 150W, your workflow gets stupid simple. Whether you're a YouTuber craving consistency or a photographer after those buttery soft shadows, this kit makes it effortless. Adjust color temp, tweak effects, chain multiple lights together, all from your phone. It's compact, powerful, and beginner-friendly yet totally pro. Say goodbye to complicated rigs and overhyped studio lights that underdeliver. Want your content to look expensive without the headache? Check the demo and imagine your workspace transformed. Curious yet? Stay tuned, because this lighting kit might just save your creative career. Thousands of creators are ditching their old rigs and switching to GVM 150W RGB video light kits for one reason. It works. And right now? Stock's moving fast. Don't let another shoot suffer from lame lighting. Act now, secure yours before the price hikes or supplies dry up. From live streamers to pro photographers, creators worldwide swear by this kit to level up their content instantly. Ready to stop blending in and start standing out? Click buy now, light up your world, turn heads, and own your content glow up today. Your audience deserves the best. So do you.